Hey everyone, so for today's tutorial, this is my take on Black Canary, played by Cassidy from the CW Arrow TV series. So I've already done one from Flash and now I'm doing a character from Arrow. And yes, the wig has made an appearance again. So this is how it looks. I painted the mask on myself, tried to make it look similar to how she has it. So if you want to see how to do this, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with my eye primer and just prime my eye. Then I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Hard Day palette. This is probably the first time I've used this one in a tutorial. I don't think I've actually used it before. I'm going to be taking a mixture of these three colours and applying that all over the lid. To go around the crease, I'm going to be taking this matte black shade. And then of course just blend that in. My upper and lower waterlines, I'm going to be taking my Rimmel Specialized Eyeliner and just line them. And then for my top lid, I'm just going to be taking my MUR Dual Line and Flick Eyeliner, just lining the lid and then winging it out a little. So now just curl your lashes and apply your favourite mascara. So now I'm just going to apply some lashes. I'm just using my Fleur Fleur Loves lashes, again like the ones I used in my Killer Frost tutorial, I think it was. I've just applied my glue, waited for it to become tacky, and then I'm just going to apply it as close to my lash line as possible. Okay, so moving on to my face, I've already primed it and everything, so I'm just going to be using my True Match foundation from Rimmel. So I'm just going to be taking my Collection concealer and concealing as normal. And then, of course, just going to be taking my usual powder and powdering my face. So I'm just going to contour a little bit, and I'm just going to be using my Makeup Revolution bronzer as normal. And contour, as usual. I'm also going to take that around the sides of the face because, unlike Killer Frost, Black Canary does have like a little bit of a tan, so I'm just going to bronze the rest of my face up. On to blush. I've noticed with these TV shows that they're not very big fans of blush, so what I'm actually going to do is just take this neutral shade here and just lightly apply that to my cheeks. Okay, so before I move on to lips or anything, I'm actually going to have a go at drawing and painting the mask that Black Canary wears. So I'm going to start off with my eyeliner just to sketch out the outline. And I would recommend using like reference photos for this as well. So a little something like that. Obviously it's not going to be exactly the same as the mask she wears, but everybody's face shape is different, so the way you draw it is like, it's going to be how you draw it on your face basically. So what I'm going to do now, take my Snazaroo face paint. This is an actual paintbrush because I always use paintbrushes for face paint. So it's got a little bit of water on it, so I'm just going to it into my face paint and just fill the mask in. Okay, so in theory you should end up with something a little bit like this. I am now going to go ahead and highlight, so I'm just going to be taking this highlight from the Sugar and Spice palette from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to apply a bit of highlight to my inner corners, and then I'm going to highlight the mask as well. So anywhere the sun or anywhere light had kind of hit it. So just going to go ahead and do that. Do is just take this brown eyeshadow here and just do a little bit of shading around the mask, just to make it look like stand out a little bit more, make it look kind of a little bit more 3D hopefully. Go back to my felt tip eyeliner and go around the edges and neaten anything up, and then add any little details that I think it'll need. Okay, so now I'm just going to move on to the lips, and she's got this really nice dark reddish kind of lips. So I'm going to be taking my Rebel with Cause lipstick and just applying that straight to my lips. And just to darken up the edges a little bit, I'm just going to be taking my black eyeliner and just darkening it up. So now I'm just going to apply my wig, and it's the same wig that I used in my Killer Frost tutorial. Hopefully it'll fit with this one just a little bit better, because Cassidy, who plays Black Canary's hair, is slightly darker. This one might be a little bit too light, but we shall see. So that was the tutorial. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really like this version of Black Canary. She's pretty badass. Yeah, well, Arrow's one of my favourite TV shows anyway, along with The Flash, and I've actually wanted to do the Black Canary look for a while now, and then Killer Frost appeared on The Flash. I was like, I've got to do a Killer Frost look, so I ended up doing that one first. So this is my take on the look. If you do watch Arrow and Flash, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you guys think of it. If you like this look, let me know what you think of it. I hope you're all having a very good day. Stay beautiful, stay awesome, and I shall see you all soon. Bye.